Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today we'll be making a no-bake cake, and the best part about it is that you don't need any fancy ingredients, just basic everyday ingredients. Take a pan, don't switch on the flame as of now. Add 1/4 cup of ghee, 1/4 cup of unmelted butter, 4 tablespoons of coffee, 2/3 cup of sugar, and half a cup of water. Now turn on the flame and let it come to a boil. Mix everything and keep stirring it in between. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving on, we'll let our mixture boil for 5 to 6 minutes or till it thickens and becomes glossy. Once our mixture becomes glossy and thickens, we will turn off the flame and let it cool for some time. We'll be using digestive biscuits for this recipe, like Marie. We'll need 250 grams of these biscuits. Break it into small pieces with your hand. You can involve kids in this recipe and take their help in breaking the biscuits. They'll absolutely love it. Don't break the biscuits too small or keep them too big. Now we'll add our prepared coffee syrup to the biscuits. Make sure the coffee syrup is slightly warm. Mix it well and quickly for equal absorption. Let the biscuit sit for 5 minutes and then transfer it to a spring-form tin. If you don't have a spring-form tin, you can use any vessel, just line it with a plastic wrap. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Show us some love, we could really use some encouragement. Moving back, spread the biscuit in the tin. Use a bowl to press it well and spread it evenly. Make sure to press the sides as well. Refrigerate this for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll prepare our frosting till then. In a mixer jar, take 400 grams of paneer, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of unmelted butter, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of coffee, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Blend it well in your mixer. We want a smooth mixture. Add the blended mixture on top of the biscuits. We are using this as a cream cheese frosting substitute. Smoothen the top as much as you can. And refrigerate this for 4 hours or till it sets completely. Now for the last step, we'll be using Cadbury chocolate. You can use any chocolate that you have available. After the cake has set, grate a generous amount of chocolate on it. Remove the cake from the tin and celebrate. This stays good in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Do give our no-bake coffee cake a try and let us know how it turned out. Enjoy!